For more of our educational video tutorials, do subscribe to our CEC Educational Videos channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.
Hello everyone, I'm Shovanu Datta, Senior Software Faculty of CC Head Office. I'll be continuing with your HTML programming part. Hope you have been following the other tutorial classes. So let's begin without any further delay then.
Before I begin today's class, I would like you to go through the link that is been provided below. For different videos regarding different topics. Okay, so today's topic is HTML lists. What are lists? List তোমালোকে word to apply কৰিছা. So এইখিনি আমি HTML ত কৰিম এতিয়া. Lists allow web authors to group a set of related items in lists. Okay, তুমি কিবা যদি items describe কৰিব বিচাৰা in a list format, you can apply it in your HTML also. So there is three ways to describe your list: an unordered way, an ordered way, and another type is a description list. গোটেইখিনি আমি এটা এটাকে চাম. First of all, unordered list কি হয় এইটো চাই আছো. Okay, unordered list কেনেকুৱা হয়? Bullets represent কৰি যিখিনি list items we describe কৰা, that is your unordered list. Ordered list means something that is arranged in an order. Okay, either with numbers or Roman numerals or A, B, C, D. Okay, এটা এটাকে সব চাম আমি. First of all, unordered list কি হয়? Unordered list খিনি তোমাৰ UL tags use কৰি আমি describe কৰিব বিচাৰো. Okay, UL tag defines an unordered list, and list items খিনি কেনেকুৱাকে describe কৰা with the help of LI tags. Okay, let's check an example first. Okay, so this is an example of an unordered list. Okay, see, basic tags here to ami janoi kontu ki hoy. Then I have applied UL tag, unordered list, and then LI tags. UL তুমি starting or লগত ending tags jo ase, LI starting or লগত ending tags jo ase. LI, okay, tea, coffee, sugar, milk. এইখিনি মই list format describe কৰিব বিচাৰি আছো in an unordered fashion. Okay, মই একো types এতিয়া mention কৰা নাই, so by default কি হয় এইখিনি তোমাৰ disk হয়. Okay, second তোমাৰ example হ'ব this HTML body, and your unordered list type is square type. Okay, again same list items মই ৰাখিছো. say এইখিনি মই এতিয়া change কৰি circle যদি কৰো, save and then refresh this page. See, change hol na nai. So আৰু এটা types কি চাইছিলো, none type. Okay, আমি type ত গৈ none দিয়া, save কৰা, refresh কৰা page খিনি. See, so these are examples of unordered list. Copy যদি notes লিখিব লাগে তোমালোকে pause কৰি notes খিনি লিখি লব পাৰা, then code খিনি তোমালোকে নিজে try কৰিব পাৰা. Okay, see, types of unordered lists and its descriptions. Okay, next topic in discussion is your ordered list. Okay, ordered list ki hoy? Ordered list defines tags in an ordered, numerical or alphabetical manner. Okay, ordered list starts with your OL tag, and each list is described with your LI. LI jenuka or unordered list to koisilo same to same ordered list to eke type of. Okay, and types and description of ordered list. 1A, small a, Roman numeral 1 and small 1. Okay, and its descriptions. Let's look at the code then. So this is an ordered list. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is tea, 2 is coffee, 3 is sugar, 4 is milk. একো টাইপ যদি তুমি ডিসক্রাইব নকৰা then by default এটো numerical formatত আহে okay second example আমি কি চাম এটা type মই ইয়াতে describe কৰিছো so this is also an example of a nested list okay nest means putting list inside list ordered list and its type is a inside is a list okay তাৰ ভিতৰত furthermore আৰু কিছুমান list mention কৰিছো okay then ভিতৰ list খিনি close and second list begins okay that's how it continues start for dr ki matlab hai any guesses anyone knows ইয়াতে অলপ এটা মোৰ mistake হৈছে এটো unordered list হয় ইয়াতে কোনো type আৰু starter কথাই নাহে so see save কৰাৰ পিছত একো changes নহয় so yate that was an example of an unordered list okay so you can go through this code this is correct code and the output will be this one okay so this is an example for nested list okay nested list ki hai a list inside another list it's called a nested list see a nested list is a list can be nested inside lists okay etu hol code kini and output of that code okay ordered list of ভিতৰত কিছুমান মই list mention কৰিছো then again few of the list inside that ordered list okay this is an example of nested list you can also use control list counting what is it by default an ordered list will always start from 1 okay if you want to start the counting from say a specific number you can use the start attribute এখিনিৰ example মই এটা starter example or মই এটা তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে task ৰাখিছো okay you have to complete this task this is an ordered list inside that ordered list is few more lists items okay then one of pisot etu bhitor list to তুমি describe kori close koriba then again a list begins from 2 in this case scenario you will be using your start attribute type mention koribo nalage karon by default tomar ordered list kini enukake start hoy 1 2 3 but you have to use the start attribute starting korpa hobo 2 pora vegetables of bhitor list kini this is an ordered list then this begins with your 3 okay actually start diboi na lage but still তোমালোকে যেনেকুৱা ভাবে পাৰা এখিনি solve কৰিবা try it at home next is your description list okay নামতে বুঝা গৈ আছে এটা লিস্ট তুমি further যদি describe কৰিব বিচাৰা you can use the concept of description list description লিখত কি tags use হয় dl tags dt and dd what is dl it's a dl defines your description list dt defines your description tag and dd defines your description of your of the list that you have mentioned okay so this is a description list see code of the description list and its output okay so dl tag and inside is a tag coffee and its definition then next tag is your milk and its following this So you can use the example of a description list to describe in detail about a list. Okay, that is the purpose of a description list. Till now we have, from first class till today, we have used a lot of tags. We have practiced a lot of tags. We means you I have described a lot of tags, and I hope those who have followed these videos till today have also gone through those tags in home and practiced. Okay, so এতিয়ালৈকে বহুতখিনি tags আমি discuss কৰিছো. So now task is that you have to recreate a page like this. Okay, heading tags আছে, image আছে, image খিনি মই hyperlink কৰিছো. Okay, click কৰিলে to it will direct me to a different website. Okay, and these are all paragraphs, and this is a text with hyperlink. Okay, I will again go through your task. Your task is to recreate a page like this. Okay, you have to recreate something similar. You can also make it better. তোমাৰ নিজৰ মতে আৰু যদি tags আৰু কিবা concept তোমাৰ মাথাত যদি আছে, then if you apply কৰিব বিচাৰা, then you can do it. Okay, so that's it for today. I would again like you to keep practicing. যেতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ lockdown completely শেষ নহয়, follow different topics by going through that link that is been described below. Okay, keep practicing. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home, most importantly. Thank you.